In beam drilling, reliability isn't a luxury, it's survival. But too often you're battling burred holes, broken heads, brutal vibration. So we came here to meet someone who's pushing back. Name.
Ben,
Where are we?
Auckland, New Zealand.
What are we talking about?
Beam drilling.
Machines like Peddinghaus and Feechep, they're the muscle behind modern construction. But unstable setups and relentless vibration, they destroy tools, fast. So, how's the industry handling it, Ben?
Endless downtime.
Now from Iscar, the world's first twist-on, twist-off beam drill head. No screws, no tools, no noise. Does it vibrate?
No.
Can you hear it? Longer life, cleaner cuts, fewer replacements, more profit. And the body,
Stronger.
built with clearance flutes, a solid core, and zero compromise. Isn't it time you got serious?
Isn't it time you got serious?
The stealth, twist, drill, dominate.